Good afternoon. It's turning much milder with wet weather moving in from the west throughout this afternoon, but it was certainly a cold start out there this morning. These are some of the lowest temperatures we saw across the UK, close to -6 in Devon as well as parts of Yorkshire, but the coldest point was Oxfordshire, down to -6.4. We saw a lot of sunshine as well, but that is all set to change. As you can see out in the Atlantic, we've got a string of weather fronts wrapped around this area of low pressure that is set to bring some windy weather to end the week, but it's also introduced a lot of cloud throughout the day from the west, as well as some rain that's already pushed into parts of Northern Ireland, Western Scotland this morning, and that will only increase as the day goes on, pushing into eastern areas of Scotland, Northern England, Wales, the Midlands, seeing some outbreaks of rain by lunchtime. Now the cloud will thicken too ahead of that, bringing some hazier sunshine across southeastern areas, but it should stay dry here through much of the day. And as we're ahead of that weather front, we will remain in the colder air, so temperatures still in the mid-single figures here, turning much milder though across western areas up to 11 or 10 degrees, 12 degrees across southwestern areas. But the breeze is going to pick up, so you're not really going to feel the benefit of that milder air until this evening. Now the rain pushes further eastwards throughout this evening. We're not expecting particularly heavy bursts of rain on this first band, but this second band, as it pushes into northwestern Scotland in particular, could bring some heavy pulses, and those winds will continue to strengthen throughout the night. Now the cloud is going to be quite thick tonight, and with southwesterly winds bringing in that mild air, temperatures will be on the rise throughout the night. So although it could be a chillier evening across southeastern areas, temperatures in the mid-single figures here, actually by tomorrow morning they'll be closer to 9 or 10 degrees, 13 degrees across parts of Northern Ireland by tomorrow morning. So a significantly milder start to the day tomorrow. We will be frost free, but it's going to be a cloudy, breezy, and for some of us a damp day on Thursday. It's particularly across the west where we're going to see the rain. Wales, Devon, Cornwall, particularly the high ground across Northern England and parts of Scotland. Now this band will clear by the afternoon, so it will turn brighter actually across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland by the end of the day, but we could see some quite heavy, possibly thundery showers. Across the southeast though, it should remain largely dry, and it will be a much milder day here tomorrow. 14 degrees, we're a good 10 degrees warmer for some areas tomorrow compared to today in the southeast. But as you can notice, these wind hours really starting to pick up across the north and west through Thursday evening. That's all to do with this area of low pressure that's moved in from the Atlantic that will bring some very strong winds, particularly to northwestern areas. So we do have a wind warning in force for northwestern parts of Scotland, the Highlands and the Western Isles. We could see gusts in excess of 75 miles per hour. You can find out more information on that weather warning on our app and website. But for everything else, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.